The following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
Guys, once again, I'd like to say that the best option you can choose for your car, or one of the best options, is definitely Simone, baby, huh? The heated steering wheel. I mean, come on. When your hands are freezing, what's better than a heated steering wheel? There is nothing better, I can tell you that. You turn it on by pressing this switch forward on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and as you can see, a very noticeable light comes on to tell you that the steering wheel heating has been activated. On the BMW, however, the button is concealed behind the steering wheel. There is an LED indication facing the driver, but it's harder to see. On the plus side, however, there is an indication on the instrument cluster that tells you that steering wheel heating has been activated. However, in the case of both the BMW and the Range Rover, there's no steering wheel cooling, and that is something that I would love to have in a car, especially in the summer months when you don't have your sunshade in place and the steering wheel becomes baking hot. In addition, neither car comes with gear lever, gear selector heating. I can tell you that the gear selector, being metal in both cars, is especially cold in the winter and especially hot when in the summer, when there's sunlight directly on it. So perhaps this is found in the more luxurious premium cars out there, but in these cars, which are the most common cars of both of the makes, so both BMW probably sells more 1 Series than any other model, and Range Rover probably sells more Evoques than any other of their models. In both of these cars, the gear selectors are not heated, even if you turn on steering wheel heating, and that is something I would like to see in a future car. When they're too hot or too cold, you wish that they were also heated or cooled. And an honorable mention for ass warmers. Yeah, ass warmers definitely come in handy when your ass is cold. So I discovered something recently about this car. A very small thing, but I'm very happy to be discovering new things about my car so many years after I bought it. So let me show you what I discovered 5 years later. It's in the glove box. There is apparently, I don't know if you can see it, a hidden compartment. And it is, I am told, for your manuals or your documents. Yeah, I'm very happy to discover it. You can't see it from this angle.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.